Hello students of class 8, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 8 biology and the chapter that I will continue today is the nervous system, and this video is part 2. In the previous video I discussed about the structure of one neuron, and today I will discuss about the nerves. Okay, so how the nerves form, when nerve cells form. Okay, so the nerves contain a cord-like structure, and while the number of nerve fibers are bundled together and straightened like a telephone cable, like you all know, it is look like that. This look like that, right? And all together they are forming, like these all are neurons, nerve cells. They are joined together and form one cable. Okay, so now what are the types of the nerves? There are many kinds of the nerves. Let me give you first the types of nerves. These are firstly sensory nerves. Next, motor nerves. Next, mixed nerves. So these types are according to depending on the direction of the transmission. It is on depending on the direction of transmission. Okay, there are one more kind of the types. Okay, this is related on from where it is arises. So it is the type 1, this is a type 2. It means it's based on the place from where they arise. So according to these also it can be of two types. What are they? Like first is the cranial nerves. And the second is spinal nerves. Okay, so cranial nerves are usually based on, or it is forming from the brain, and the spinal nerves are forming from the spinal cord. So they also have some different parts, like, and here these functions are also different, and the arising places are also different. They are working in a different manner. So first I am going to discuss about the types depending on the direction of the transmission. The first is the sensory nerve. Okay, so what is the sensory nerve? Sensory nerves mainly carries the senses. Okay, so when I just doing it, so the impulse that is going from the spines, okay, from my hand to the spines, the nerves that can receive the impulse, that are the sensory nerves that can sense the impulse, that is the sensory nerves. These are the nerves that carry message or impulses from the sense organs to either to the spinal cord or the brain. So they contain only sensory fibers. They have only the sensory fibers. For example, optic nerve, it sends a message to eye, from the eye to the brain. So give one example of the sensory nerve is optic nerve. Okay. So next, the motor nerve. From the brain or the spinal cord, the impulse or the reaction that is coming to the effector, or like when I just doing this impulse is going to our spinal cord, and then after that I have to just remove my hand, right? We have to react. This reaction is, this impulse of the reaction comes from this motor nerves. Okay, so the nerves carry message in the form of response from the brain or spinal cord to the parts of the effector. It is called the motor nerves. The effect is on the muscles or can be gland. they contain only motor fibers. For example, nerves arising from the brain leading to the muscle of the eyeballs are motor nerves. From the brain to the eyeball. Okay. From the brain to the eyeball. By this we can move. When some high intensity of light falling on our eyes, we react like we can blink our eyes or we can close our eyes. So this reaction is coming from the brain to our eyeball. By this we can just blink our eyes. This from this eyes muscle to this eyes muscle. This function is done by the motor nerves, which is coming from the brain to the eyeball. So the next part is the mixed nerve. So the sensory nerves only carry the sensory fibers. The motor nerves only carry the motor fibers. Here the mixed nerve can carry both the fibers, like both the sensory and the motor fibers. Okay, so here these nerves perform the function of both sensory nerves as well as motor nerves. They can perform both functions. They transmit electrical impulses from the central nervous system to the muscles of the body. So they contain both the sensory and motor fibers. For example, the nerves that can transmit the message of tongue is called the mixed nerve. So one example is tongue nerves. Okay, these are the example of mixed nerves. Then on the basics of the place from where these nerves can arise, according to these, the definitions and the types can be of two, like the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. So first one is the cranial nerves. So what is cranial nerves? The nerves arise from the brain and reach the organ in the head. It is called the cranial nerves. The nerves which is on the head is called the cranial nerves. There are 12 pairs of the cranial nerves. 12 pairs. And here there is a spinal nerves. These nerves arise from the spinal cord and reach various parts to the body. These are of 31 types. Okay, 31. There are 12 pairs and these are the 31. So these are the basic ideas of the types of the nerves. And here, according to the direction, they are sensory, motor and mixed. According to the functions and the directions they are transmitting, and according to the based on the place from where it is forming, the cranial nerves and spinal nerves, it is all. And after that, in this next video, I will start with the nervous system in humans. Okay, there are 3 kinds of the nervous system. I will discuss all in this next video. Till then, thank you.